softly on the glass. Time slows down as moments pass. In each drop I see your face, memories I can't erase. The night goes quiet but my mind's awake, watching patterns that the rainfall make. Every droplet holds a trace of the warmth I can't replace, and I find you everywhere in the rain that fills the air. Empty rooms and rainfall hymns, water burns my world within. What remains when storms subside? Just these tears I try to hide. Let the rain wash away. Every droplet holds a trace of the